Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna draw this tiger drawing with colored pencils, and I'm gonna give you instructions with each step so you can follow along. And the color pencils I'm using are these Polychromos. As you can see, Faber Castell Polychromos. Okay, and the paper I'm using is this Strathmore Bristol vellum 300 series. Alright, so I have my basic rough sketch on paper, and now I am blocking in the details of the dark spots on the face of the tiger with dark sepia color. I can start with the background, which is a lake behind the tiger. I'm doing horizontal strokes with olive green, dark sepia and raw umber to give it illusion of the water. And after that I'm blending initial layer with paint thinner. When it is completely dried, I continued with the second layer with dark sepia. I am adding shadows in this layer so the strokes are darker this time. And also I'm mixing colors like earth green and yellow ochre in there to give it the water shades of reflection and depth. And I am mixing dark indigo blue as well with the dark sepia for deeper shadows. Now the left side of lake is in light, so the details in there will be very light. I used sky blue and light warm grey there. Now I'm starting with the tiger. As usual, I started with the eye first and then I marked those stripes with dark sepia. I did the undertone with yellow ochre, dark Naples ochre and raw umber, and then burnt umber for the orange tone. Now the final layer of the stripes is done with black color. And for the body, I blocked in the stripes with dark sepia and indigo blue. And the fur texture I achieved with shorter strokes in the direction of the fur. It gives the illusion of animal fur. Similarly with the tail, I used black for the final layer of the stripes and then I used burnt umber, light yellow ochre and raw umber for the fur on the tail. I used burnt umber on the stripes of the body to give it brownish shade, and dark indigo for the bluish shade on the stripes on the left side of the body. Then similarly, yellow ochre, raw umber and burnt ochre for the fur in the body. I am doing shorter strokes and mixing color from light to dark. On the left side of the body, I added dark indigo to add shadow tone. It gives the fur muted tone, and then I added dark sepia for the shadows. Now I'm starting with the grass and rocks under the tiger. For the grass, I used earth green and olive green. For the grass, use shorter horizontal strokes to give it the illusion of the grass. Then for the rocks, I did basic structure with dark sepia and then added little grass here and there between the rocks. And then with dark indigo, purple and dark sepia, I gave the rocks some shadows for realistic 3-dimensional look. Now for the longer grass in the foreground, I used burnt ochre, raw umber and burnt umber and then blended them with white color. This grass is supposed to be out of focus, so I did circular strokes to blend all the colors so it doesn't look sharp. Final layer of the rocks is done with black for the deeper shadows. And then I added tiger whiskers with white jelly roll pen. After some final touches here and there, it is ready. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then like, comment and share it with your friends. And subscribe so you don't miss any of my content. Thank you.